What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am on my way to Gallagher's Steakhouse up in Midtown near Times Square. I've been to this place a lot of times. They do some really awesome work on their dry-aged prime rib. They got a great veal chop. I don't know what I'm gonna get tonight. I'm going to meet my buddies Hal and Eric, fellow meat aficionados. We're gonna do this place right. The cool thing about this place, aside from the fact that it's an old school, old-timey, steakhouse that's been here for a long time, they got this awesome meat window in the front. All of the steaks, all of the primals, the ribs, the short loins, all on display in their little aging room, which is in the window. It's very cool. I highly recommend checking this place out. They have some good lunch items too that are hard to find. Not so much hard to find, but they are only available at lunch. They got a steak sandwich, they have a burger. The burger's dry aged, it's huge, it's really good. Fun times at this place. It used to be not so good. It was mediocre. It was in desperate need for a reno. They suffered a pretty bad fire, and then they reopened after remodeling, and everything was different. Everything was really, really good, high quality. They made the dining space beautiful while still keeping it true to the old school nature that it always had. Ever since then, I've been going back. I try to go back at least like twice a year. With so many good contenders in that area for steak, I found myself gravitating towards Tuscany Steakhouse a lot and Keen's, but Gallagher's is no slouch and should not be slept on. It is a great steakhouse. And like I said, if you're a fan of prime rib, this is one of the top 3 places to get it. These streets are pretty crowded, and I'm getting close, so I'm gonna lock it up now, and I'll see you guys on the inside. Look at these losers.
Look at you fucking meat losers.
Look at these fucking losers. What's up?
Gotta get that meat.
The meat window.
That meat shot. Let them all. Hey, this is all fresh in here. Where's the good stuff? There we go.
They have another room downstairs.
Oh yeah, this
down,
first one.
Yeah,
on the lower left. Yeah.
You want to try this?
You know why?
Oh, wait, hold on.
Oh, it's better from the side than the fucking top.
I was talking about with my friend the other day.
So bright.
Yeah, right out there.
Yeah, it's that recycled shit.
We'll just get a old fashioned.
Okay.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Oh yeah.
And there was no
Burrata! Ben, bring your light over toward my side when you're done with yours.
Pork belly, which you might find in a bacon and lettuce and tomato sandwich.
That's a fucking cube.
I need your light.
You need everything from me.
Yeah, I need your light.
Howdy, man.
Come on. Eric, nobody's gonna eat ever.
Yeah, I am.
What is that?
That's cat food. We ordered the cat food.
We should, yeah. $6 on a pound. Get out
I
of there.
did.
Get out of there.
Oh, the filet. Look at that. That's a beauty.
Sirloin. I'm gonna put the sliced sirloin in this.
You ordered 2 steaks?
Yeah. I ordered 2 steaks because I'm not a fucking pussy.
What the? Look at the size of that thing. And he's like, what? They're small. Some bite size.
Oh, that looks
That-
good.
that does.
Look at that. Eric,
It looks proper.
that's a nice ribeye.
Oh man, I smell that dry aging. Good.
Coming across my shoulder.
Oh yeah, spread it out, spread it out, spread it out.
Some lovely beauty. Light me up. Beautiful.
Hash browns. Look at that. Now, where's your food? Did you order anything?
Got the prime rib.
The mac and cheese. Oh yeah. What's that? You got sweet potato?
Sure did.
Oh my god. I'm going for a minute now. Where's the fucking prime rib?
Gotta go scrape it off the kitchen floor.
It's not on that card, is it?
No.
What's that, marinara with the fucking strip steak?
Might be. I'm going for a fucking. I'm gonna pull a piece out of
I
that.
Go
already
ahead,
did.
go ahead.
I already did. It was
I gotta get a photo.
Get a photo, then I can fucking. Right up the table.
Prime rib is not for me.
Oh.
Gave it to someone else.
What's market price?
Why don't you do? I have lobster. I have market price lobster.
I'm teasing. Ribeye is fine. Oh, you know what? At this point, we have enough food here. Why don't you just scratch it from the. No worries.
I held that for you. They didn't
Okay.
count it right. And he should have
No prime rib for you. No prime rib for you.
Take a video of it dancing.
Dude, I'm trying to catch focus.
Take a video of it dancing.
Killing me. So Gallagher's lives up to my continued expectation. Great meal here. Really, you can get anything and not be disappointed. Great job with the filet they do. As I said on the way up, the prime rib, the veal chop. They do some good seafood too. Again, if you live and work in Midtown or you're around there for lunch, great burger, great steak sandwich. Those are worth your time. All right, we're moving now, some traffic, but thank you for watching. If you want a full detailed review from many visits, go to my website johnnyprimesteaks.com and check it out. As always, thank you for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your fucking grandma.